Let us prepare our hearty beef lasagna. We'll gather the ingredients. We need 3 cups flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 tablespoon olive oil, 4 eggs. We'll put that in our mixer and let it knead the dough. We'll continue kneading the dough until the dough reaches into a soft ball stage. Take out our dough and let it rest for 30 minutes. We'll use our pasta making machine to make our lasagna sheets. We'll cut them into our desired sizes and put them aside. Let's prepare the mince. Put the onions, fry them until they are soft. We put our grated tomatoes, we continue frying. We'll add our beef mince, continue frying and put our spices and tomato paste. Fry until it's cooked. We'll start layering our lasagna. We first put the mince, then we put a layer of lasagna and put our bechamel sauce. We continue doing the stages. We put our lasagna, put our bechamel sauce with mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. We'll bake for 35 to 40 minutes until golden brown. There we go, we have our pasta. Thank you so much for watching.